fan of me. Get out of here, man. I hate eating around people that's so-called nutritionists, you know.
The Theringanzo camping dere and this is 3-hour drive ani chuju sum ranga nga khachi dere laga chi dere busy re I don't know how it works. I thought it was one of those Indian pumps, like, you know, like where you have to go like that, but it's not. It's not. I think. Oh shit! You have to push harder, huh? Okay. So cute. We're here at Boysville Market. It's so cute. Look how cute this is. Nice and cool. This is the wild one that's growing on the side of the road. These are the flowers that's growing on the side of it. And the firewood. Two for $2? expensive, but yes, I'll get it. Doing this. Treats for Bella. What the? You want this, Bella? You want to eat this, Bella? You match it. What's that? You're so cute, Bella. Why are you so cute? You want to be sprayed too? You're a little girl. You're a little girl too. It's a whole family. They're gonna beat us one. Just move forward. Oh, you guys are so cute. Oh, it's a mommy, daddy, and 3, 4, 5 little babies. Let's go, Bella. Go, Bella. Go, Bella. Go, Bella. Bella, Bella. You ready?
It's hot.
She's scaring me now. What she said? What she wants?
What do you want?
Oh my
What do you
God!
want?
And the king and the princess are coming off the board. Not deep enough.
Are you gonna float, Bella?
No, she's gonna walk. Look, look, look.
Are you gonna swim?
She's just gonna sit there.
Is that so cool? Huh? Is that so cool, Bella?
Little bit on the head. Yeah. Get her wet. It's okay. I'm gonna put oil on her later.
What happened?
Daddy, daddy, daddy. Soaking wet. This is called what? Bear Cantina? Oh, yeah, put her down next to it. That's her size. She could be the bear cup. Bella, that's you, Bella. Yeah. Bella, you are exactly like that. We're here for the ice cream.
Nothing.
Look at the baby. Look at our baby. Bear, your ice cream's calling you. Look at our ice cream. Oh my God, this is so big. See yours? This is Bella's. Bella table gane ma chaso sala.
Take a video of it.
Okay.
Now put the cup,
Okay. Watch this.
the spoiled one. Oh yeah, now. Uh-huh.
Just for the camera.
For the camera.